Optimism optimize your life. Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. And in this particular video, we're gonna talk about what is optimism, how optimism affect our life in good manner or a bad manner. Actually, this is a live video that I have recorded on my Instagram and I just pasted here. So we did a live with Ahmad Babu sir, and literally it's mind-blowing session. But you know what, it's a 1 hour long session, so I haven't recorded the whole 1 hour session. I just recorded, you can say, 10 to 15 minute video. I just pasted here, right? So you know what, if you're not connected with me on my Instagram, do connect me there, because I do a live session on a daily basis at 10 o'clock with the name of Daily We Show, and I just took sometime random and sometime planned live. So if you're there, do that we can interact in the next time as well. But you're gonna jump into the video, make sure to just subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notification when I upload any new video. Now let's begin.
Actually, I am from Visakhapatnam. Right now, I'm staying in Hyderabad. I was working as a software engineer for the last 11 years.
Oh my god.
Yes, I have a years experience software engineer. The thing is that what's my motto is to inspire the people who are in and around me. Because as I'm coming from the village background, I don't want to the people who are troubling the same. So that's the reason why I'm always giving helping hand to the others. So that's the reason why, yeah, I'm the person who is taking this initiation, and I'm always ready to help the others.
That's great.
Yes.
I mean, great thoughts, sir. Even I'm also from village, and like we just that in our village, the surrounding is not like that. The mindset of people is not like that, and when you start living there, then our, you can say, mindset will be also reduces, and we are just thinking like normal kind of stuff. I just realized that. Yeah. So I think we can start now. So we're gonna talk about today that optimism, and you can say optimistic and pessimistic kind of stuff, right? So sir is also in that particular niche, like inspiration kind of stuff to inspire people. So it is more better to understand with you that kind of topic actually.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
The thing is that most of us are ready to look at the things in a brighter side. There are very few people who can look at the things in a brighter side. Those can be considered as an optimistic, as we all know about them. But on the other hand, there are some people, they are always think about darker side only. They will never accept the challenges, whatever come in their way. They always think that the problem is a problem. They will never wait for a solution. So they can be considered as a pessimist, right? Now it's a time for us. We want to enter into our optimistic zone or pessimistic zone. It's
right.
And that is exactly that I'm going to discuss with you guys now.
Right. So in general, the normal that we understand, okay, this is the optimistic person, this is a pessimistic person. So how we can be a optimistic person in our life?
Yes, exactly. The thing is that most of the times we feel that I don't have enough money, or I don't have enough fame, or I don't have an opportunities to improve in my life. We are always thinking like that only. We should never think that whatever the sources that we have, we should utilize those sources. But unfortunately, we will never put focus on the sources what is available in and around us. So that's where exactly problem arises. The first and foremost thing, if you want to become an optimistic, you have to utilize the things whatever that you have in your premises first. You should understand whatever the sources that are available for me. See, the thing is that if you are not resources, it's your problem that you are not a resources with you. You should create those resources. Until unless you create, no one will come and nobody will give those and nobody will show those resources. So we should find out whether this can be, how can I utilize this resource to my growth and development. So life is all about facing challenges. Nothing will come very easy. So the thing is that to be an optimistic person, you have the first and foremost thing what you have to do means you have to avoid the things whatever that you have in your past. That means we are all hang up in one particular thing. We shouldn't come up that past. The thing is that if I failed, or if I failed any exam, or if I am not able to get anything, I always thought about that one. I will not come out that comfort zone, because I
Right.
always think about that. I should come out that first. The thing is that
Right.
most of the people stuck at this particular point. We should avoid that hang up. Where exactly I hang up, so that I find out that and I should come out of that situation. And that is the first thing that we can be an optimistic person.
Okay.
Whatever the past that you have, you should get over from that. Until unless you come out of that past, it will be difficult for you to move forward. Right, Vishal?
Okay, that's great. That's great.
That's exactly what we have to do. And the second thing is that we always observe our language. What that means, sometimes I can't afford that, I can't crack that exam, or I can't buy that car. In that way, we are always giving a negative instruction to our mind. So when you are giving such type of instruction to your mind, what will happen means our subconscious will take it as your instruction. Correct?
Right.
So, it leads to the pessimism. So whatever the opportunities comes in your way, you have to utilize that. But unfortunately, what we are thinking means, I don't have that thing and I don't have this. We are always thinking like that way. See, whatever the sources that you have to find it first. That is what exactly the main thing. See,
You know what, sir? You know what? For me, I just feel some kind of contradiction in my life. Sometimes, as I also personally believe in whatever the resources that we have to utilize, right? But at the same time, as your second point covered, that sometimes you feel like, yeah, I don't have money, so how can I go for that? So that comes also in my mind, like, and also I just think that whatever the resources that I have to utilize in that manner. But at the same time, I also thinking about that I don't have money, then I don't have to go for that. So how, like, it's like contradictory thing for me. So are you getting my point?
Yes, I got it. That means in such
Okay.
instances, what one has to do, right? That was your
Right.
See, the thing is that if you don't have the money, means it's your problem. Correct?
Right.
If you born poor, it's not your fault. If you die poor, it's completely your fault. Correct? Do you agree with that?
Right. Yes, sir, I agree with that.
It is that education alone will not give money. Correct? Education will not give money. Correct? No.
Right.
In outside, some people, they don't have the proper education, but they are earning the money. Correct?
Right.
They are earning the money just because of the confidence what they have inside. The thing
Right.
is that you have to build up your confidence levels. You should surround yourself with the positive people. Correct? No. Whenever you are surrounded
Right.
with the positive people, you will be getting the positive thoughts. You are in a position to receive the help from the people who are in and around you. So always surrounded with the positive people, so that you will be getting positive information and positive chances. Correct?
Right.
Even
Right.
if this person stays in village and he's not educated, but the thing is that he has a knowledge. See, education is different from knowledge.
Totally different.
From knowledge. All educated persons will not be knowledgeable persons, but all knowledgeable persons are educated.
Right. That's the truth.
People who are in village, maybe they are not educated, but they are very knowledgeable persons. Correct, no? They are very
Right.
knowledgeable persons. Yeah, they know how to talk with the others. They know how to mingle with the others. They know how to create the opportunities for them. Even they are earning more. Money is not a matter. If you earning money is simple. Earning money is very simple, but the thing is that how you are earning, the way is difficult.
Right.
So the journey, you can earn the money. Whether you have an education or don't have an education, it's not a problem. The only thing is that you should be an optimistic person. I'm an optimistic that I can earn the money. You have to give such type of a positive affirmations to your mind. Correct, no? So that opportunities will come in. The most important, we should remember that because of that pessimism, we lose many opportunities. So never and ever be in that position. You should come out of that pessimism zone. We enter into an optimistic. First, be an optimistic so that chances will come you. So that when your eyes will open, opportunities will see. Opportunities you can observe. So
Right.
that way you can find out the resources. Money is not at all a problem for you. You should not think about money. Focus on the work. When you focus on the work, superbly, easily you can earn the money. That's what
Right.
exactly that I strongly believe. And I'm recommending to all the guys also, you should never think about the money. You should think about the work.
Like, I mean,
Focus on
yeah, it's great thought that I somehow get my clarity. Okay, so don't have to focus my mindset on that particular stuff. That I don't have money, I can't do that. Right. So that's great. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for that. Yeah. So you know what? Sometimes as I feel like that I have to be optimistic, but I think we just have covered that the situations and the circumstances is not as per we want. Like as if you talk about like Sushant Singh Rajput, like he did a lot of. I mean, the thing that will be happen with us. So what the basic thing will be happen with that person? Even he's so much optimistic, but still he just attempt that suicide, and even not attempt, he just like as we all know that, right?
really it was a bad news for all of us that Sushant Singh Rajput has achieved a lot in his life. Even at the age of 34, he has done 10 films and he has done a biopic like crazy, people
MS
are
Dhoni.
also through that MS Dhoni film, and he acted as if like MS Dhoni. So he has, of course, he has spent 1.5 years to act like MS Dhoni, right? He has been given training like an MS
Right.
Dhoni. See, the thing is that he is a hard worker. By doing that, we can understand one thing is Sushant Singh Rajput is a hard worker, and being from a middle class family, he reached up to that stage means he is very dedicated towards his work, right? And moreover, the thing is that most people don't know about that. Even he is the person who secured the 7th rank in AIEEE. He secured 7th rank, all India wise.
Wow.
AIEEE. Wow. Yeah, see, he is a very talented at education also. See, have you ever imagined such person committed suicide?
So that's it for as of now for that particular video. I hope you got the value, and if you got the value from this video, please do share this video to another people so that they get benefited as well. And as always, keep smiling and be happy, and thank you very much.